to the Grand Hotel. How can I help you?
Good afternoon. I have a reservation under the name of Kian.
Let me check for you, Mr. Kian. Yes, here it is. You booked a double room for 3 nights. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
Could I see your passport, please?
Here you go.
Thank you very much. Could you please fill out this registration form?
Here it is.
Thank you very much. Here's your passport now. Your room is on number 512. Here's your key card.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Could you tell me what time the breakfast is served?
Breakfast is served from 7 o'clock to 7:30 in restaurant ground floor.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir. If you need anything else, please let us know. Enjoy your stay.
Baby.